Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to talk about people who can't smoke outside for many different reasons. You can't smoke outside because you ain't got a smoker. You can't smoke outside because you're in a dorm, you're a college student. You can't smoke outside because you're in an apartment that doesn't let you do anything outside, fear of fire damage and all that stuff. You just can't smoke outside. There's a million reasons why. Somebody asked me, can you smoke in the oven? I don't recommend that. If you smoke in the oven, your whole house is going to get smoked out. You're going to be opening the doors and turning the fans on. So I'm going to show you a device and a process on how to smoke your meat, smoke your cheese, smoke your eggs, whatever you want to smoke. You can smoke it indoors. Let me show you how. Come in close. Okay, as you can see right here is the smoking gun. Let's turn it around so you can see it. You guys see? That's what the smoking gun looks like. We're going to pull it out and put it together in a minute. Just want to show you some other items really quick. It's got AA batteries. It's got the hickory pellets. It's got the apple wood. It uses regular wood pellets. And then here are extra flavors of wood pellets because we may not want hickory or apple wood. We may want mesquite or something else. So I bought extra. We got a piece of lamb that we're smoking today. I found lamb. That's a rarity. And look at this. Now I'm hoping, let's open this up. That comes off. I'm hoping that hole right there, the tube will fit right in that hole from the smoking gun. I'm guessing it's too small. But I just decided to take a chance and buy this anyway. If not, we'll have to cut a bigger hole, okay? And then we'll have to tape it up or something. But anyway, so let's get a closer look at that in a second. Let's put all this over here. Get over there. So, here's the little booklet, instructions. Here's the device, got batteries, got the wood pellets, got the little, this is where you put your wood pellets in right here, I think. So let me read the directions. Let's test this tube real quick. Yeah, that hole is too big. See that hole right there on the end of the tube? That's too big. So let me see how this container works. I'm probably gonna have to make a bigger hole. Yeah, it ain't gonna fit. I'm gonna have to cut a bigger hole. Anyway, that's cool. Well, it was nice wishing this would work. So I got this container at the Dollar Tree store, and as you can see, it is been cut. I cut the hole a little bit bigger so that the smoking tube can fit in to the container. So we're gonna fill this with smoke, okay? Now the best part about this is I get that at Dollar Tree, so I cut it. I don't care because it was $1. Best part is, look, batteries. It comes with batteries, so you don't have to worry about it. Usually batteries are not included. Let's get the batteries in this device, put this device together, fill it with wood pellets, and get smoking. So first we're going to take these little wood chips that they gave us. These are hickory wood chips. I thought they were pellets. They're not. They're little wood flakes. Okay? So you take the wood flakes, you fill it in this little bowl here, right here. It's kind of like a bong, but it's not. So don't treat it like one. But anyway, you're going to put the chips in there. That's going to heat up and burn the chips and blow it through this tube into this container. I've got different pieces of tape on here. So let me first put the meat in. We'll set that down. Okay, so we're gonna first put the meat in, then close it up, then smoke it all, then use the tape to plug up the hole, okay? Got it in the hole, whoops. Put it in the hole, put it in the smoker. Hold on. Get it connected. There we go. Now get it back down here. Pour a little bit in there. Okay. Okay, so I found something out. I read the directions. You're supposed to apply a lighter at the top here, and the fan will pull it in and burn up all the chips and everything. So we have to provide the heat. I thought it was a heating unit inside this. Not as impressed. I really would have liked this to heat up, but whatever. So let's get it going first. And give it some fire. Now you can see there's smoke going in. There's a little bit of smoke coming out. Let's turn it off. Oh, there it is. It's full of smoke. Put tape over it. Put tape over it. There we go. Now, as you can see, let me use all my tape. I got it the whole taped up. And let it just sit in the smoke. As you can see, that smoke is pretty solid in there. Okay? This little bit of smoke that escapes will dissipate in a minute, so you don't have to worry about smoking up the whole house. It's all contained in here. It's taped up. We're good to go. Let's melt some butter in a pan real quick. Make sure flame's there. Yep. Always check, as you know, it's a safety precaution that I teach on the show. Always make sure you got a flame. Last thing you want is gas building up. Because sometimes the flame sounds like gas spewing out. So you don't want just gas filling your kitchen, the whole house blowing up. There we go, get a little salt and pepper. Now remember, this is lamb. Lamb can be treated like beef. You can have it rare, medium rare, medium, well done, whatever you want. Okay? It's not like pork, so we're going to cook this up probably to a medium rare. Alright, let's give these a quick little turn. They all look beautiful. Alright, let's cut into one and see how it looks. Can you point it? It's absolutely perfect. So now we need to cut a piece and see if it's smoky or not. Okay, I gotta be honest with you. I honestly think lamb is my favorite meat. Beef is probably what I eat the most of, or chicken probably, but lamb has the best flavor, better than beef. I've never tried elk. That's one that everybody says elk is the best meat. I haven't done that yet. Hang in there because we're going to fly some elk in, and we're going to try elk burgers and some other things too. All right, let's give this a try. We're looking for hickory. Wow. Instantly taste it. The smoke got in all the way. I probably couldn't have got more smoke into that meat on my smoker. Okay? So here's the deal. I'm probably never going to use that again, the smoking gun. I will probably be using smokers because I can. If you guys want it, I'm giving it away because I got smokers outside. I'll use them. I won't use a smoking gun again in my house. But it works. Amazing. It works so good. So here's the deal. You need to write me and tell me that you're interested in being in the drawing for the smoking gun. Send me an email. Tell me where you're from. Give me your name. And I'm going to pick one of the emails randomly, okay? I love you guys. I hope you win. Good luck, all right? You guys take care. See you in a bit.